how to enable Twitch Drops and reward your viewers with in-game items. Here's how to turn on Twitch Drops in just a few steps. First, sign in to your Twitch account. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Creator Dashboard. Inside the Creator Dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Viewer Rewards. Then select Drops from the available options. On the Drops page, find the Enable Drops toggle and turn it on. Once enabled, eligible viewers can earn Twitch Drops while watching your stream during supported campaigns. Twitch Drops are a great way to increase viewer engagement by offering rewards such as in-game skins, items, and other exclusive content. Keep in mind that viewers may also need to link their Twitch account with the game publisher or participating service to claim their rewards successfully. And that's it. That's how to enable Twitch Drops on Twitch and start offering viewer rewards. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Twitch tips and streaming tutorials.